Hello everyone and welcome to the video lecture on differential equation. In the previous video lecture, we have talked about the exact differential equation and we have gone through what are the conditions and how to get the solution. So before solving the first example of this session, let us quickly go through the working rule. Right. So what is the working rule? Convert a given differential equation in this form. That is step number 1. This form is the standard form of exact differential equation. Once we get that, identify m and n and then find its derivative. Derivative of m with respect to y partially and derivative of n with respect to x partially. Once we get that, then we will check the condition whether del m by del y is equal to del n by del x or not for exactness. Once we get this, then given differential equation is said to be exact. That we have seen is the necessary condition for any differential equation to be exact. Then once we get an exact differential equation, then by making use of this formula, we will get the solution. So like this, we have 4 steps to get the solution for a exact differential equation. So let us solve first example of today's session. So let us go step by step. First is to check whether it is in the standard form or not. Yes, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So step 1 is over. Identify m and n. So here m is nothing but equal to 3x square y plus y by x. Question arises, what will be m? So it's very simple. Just differential or coefficient of dx is m. Okay. And different coefficient of this dy is n. So what is n here? It is x cube plus log x. Once we get m and n, well, let us find its derivative. Remember, m is a coefficient of dx, so it needs to be differentiated with respect to opposite variable. What is opposite variable? Y. So that's why it is del m by del y. Okay, sometimes people get confused whether to differentiate it with respect to x or y. So very easy, it's a coefficient of dx, so differentiate it with respect to opposite variable, right? So it is del m by del y is equal to, now, so 3x square constant, derivative of y is 1, then again in the next term 1 by x is constant, derivative of y is 1. Like this we got the derivative. Then differentiate n with respect to x, so it is 3x square plus 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now if we see this, what we will find? What is the conclusion? Conclusion is that both are equal. So del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Therefore, given differential equation is exact. And hence, according to step number 4, we will obtain the solution as per this format. Therefore, the solution is, okay, let us write solution quickly. Integration of m. What is m? It is 3x square y plus y by x, and remember it is integrated with respect to x, so at that time y is constant, right? Plus identify the term of n which is not containing x. So is there any term of n not containing x? It is completely a function of x. So therefore integration of nothing, that is 0, is equal to c. Integrate this. So y is constant. Integration of 3x square is 3 constant. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. 3 cancels. So what we have? X cube y. Then plus y is constant, integration of 1 by x, that is log x. So y log x is equal to c. So like this we have obtained easily the solution of the exact differential equation. So what I'll suggest, to go with the steps one by one carefully, you will definitely get the solution. Okay, so let us see quickly one more example on exact differential equation. So it is solved. Then another example which I am taking here is cos x minus x cos y dy minus sin y plus y sin x dx is equal to 0. Okay. So first observe carefully the equation. Is it in the standard form? What is the standard form? It should be in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So let us rewrite the equation. So given equation can be written as, so I'll write first the term of x. So it is minus of sin y plus y sin x dx plus term of dy, that is cos x minus x cos y dy equal to 0. Now, so it is in the standard form. It is now it will become easy to identify m and n, right? So what is m? M is a coefficient of dx. Okay. So what we have? So m is minus of, don't forget to write the negative sign. So minus of sin y plus y sin x, and n is coefficient of dy, that is cos x minus x cos y. Now differentiate this with respect to y. So it is minus outside. What is the derivative of sin y? Is cos y plus sin x is constant, derivative of y is 1. So sin x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus cos y is constant and derivative of x is 1. Just see whether both these terms are equal or not. Yes, minus cos y minus sin x. So both are same. So therefore given differential equation is exact. Let us write the solution. So therefore the solution is, according to the fourth step, solution is what? Integration of m, that is minus sin y plus y sin x. Integration is to be done with respect to x. Then plus integration of term of n not containing x. So here x, here also x, right? So it is integration of 0, no terms. Now integrate this. As I told you, in this case I have to treat y as a constant because we are integrating with respect to x. Okay, so minus sin y constant, integration of 1 is x, plus y constant, integration of minus of sin x. Integration of minus of sin x is cos x. Okay, and equal to c. So see what we have? Minus x sin y plus y cos x is equal to c. So like this we have obtained a solution. In the next video lecture, we shall discuss few more interesting, important, little bit difficult example on the same topic. Thank you all for watching the video.